Hey everyone, this is Landon with the Dent Connection, and in this video is going to be all about how to get a free estimate or a quick quote on paintless dent repair for your dent or ding by using your cell phone. So what we want you to do is take a picture or two, maybe from an angle or two that's different, of the dent or dings that you'd like an estimate on, and text it to us at 830-660-0580. And that way we can take a look at your pictures and we can try to give you some kind of base idea of what the cost is going to be for the repair. And then you don't even have to drive all the way over, or I don't have to come all the way out, and maybe it's a dent I can't even fix. So also when you text us, please also text us the year, make, and model and where the dent is located, i.e. the driver's door, the fender, the quarter, the roof, the hood. We need to know all those things. That'll help us in the factors into figuring out what the repair cost might be.
As you can see here, we got a really big dent on the front of this black Chevy Tahoe, and I'm going to do a little demonstration on how we go about repairing this dent with paintless dent repair.
I appreciate you watching our videos, and my name is Landon, and we are in Marble Falls, Texas, and we also offer a mobile service where we can come to you. And thanks for watching. You got dents? Come to us, or we'll come to you. Text us a photo for a quick quote. 283-660-0580 or visit us at dentconnection.com. We're located in Marble Falls, Texas at 2503 Commerce.